Hi, this is Visit Pro3 channel. In today's video, I will show you how to add special effect to your message on Facebook Messenger. Before you get started, don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. So let's go. With our new normal, many of us turn Facebook Messenger to keep in touch with our family and friends. It is the most convenient way to do it, saying a huge section of our population use the messaging platform. So how to do it if you want to put or add this special effect to your message? It's so simple. So first of all, we have to open our messenger. Now you can open the conversation with your friends that you want to try to add the special effect. As you can see, we'll send this message with this special effect like this. So how to do it is so simple. So first you can just write your message that you want to send with the special effects. Now after that, before you send this message, you can see there's like search icon on there. You can just tap on that. Here, so you can choose the message that you, the effects that you want to use for this message. I will choose this one for the example. And it will turn out like this. So cute, right? It's so cool. I will try another one. I will choose this. So cool, right? So that is how to add special effect to your message on Facebook Messenger. Don't forget to like and subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. Thank you and see you.